What up, S&M Squad, and welcome back, y'all. It's your boy Shawn.
And your girl, Mel. What's up, S&M Squad? How are you guys doing today? We hope you guys are absolutely amazing.
Yes, you guys. If not, guess what? Let's turn it around a little bit.
Baby.
With some good energy, plus some good music. Baby, who we got today, my love?
Today we're reacting to Grand Funk Railroad.
Hell
All right.
yeah.
Okay, she's some kind of wonderful.
She's some kind of wonderful.
Yeah.
And this is live version requested by Kimberly Jenkins.
Yes, Kimberly Jenkins. Nelly. Thank you so much for your request.
Yes. We
are
definitely
excited.
Appreciate it. Hell yeah, I can't wait to get into this one.
I think I'm some kind of wonderful.
Yes.
I know Kimberly is some kind of wonderful.
Yes, man.
So
she got some good music. She brings some heat to the live.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. If it's your first time here, make sure you stay here, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you guys be notified. Yeah. Hell to the yeah. Now, baby, definitely. I'm ready to jump straight into it.
I'm ready.
I need some energy,
Let's
baby.
do it.
Let's get it. Bam! Countdown begins now. The best part of the video.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah. All right, y'all. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Live, baby.
I don't need a whole lot of money. I don't need a big fine car. I got everything that a man could want. I got more.
Sing it, yeah.
I don't have to run.
Hell yeah, baby.
I don't have to stay out all night. 'Cause I got me a sweet, sweet little woman. And she knows just how to treat me right.
I like
So
this.
my baby, she's alright. So my baby, clean out of sight. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful?
Wow.
Yes, she's some kind of wonderful. You know that she's some kind of wonderful. Yeah.
Come on, guys. Sing this.
Now when I hold her in my arms, you know she sets my soul on fire. Ooh, when my baby's hugging me, my old heart becomes filled with desire. And when she wraps her loving arms around me, she drives me out of my mind. Yeah. When my baby's kissing on me, the chills ran up and down my spine. My baby, she's alright. So my baby, clean out of sight. Don't you know that? What is she? She's some kind of wonderful. Yeah, she is. She's
Hell yeah.
some kind of wonderful.
Yeah.
She's some kind of wonderful. Yeah. Now is there any?
Sing it. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Got a sweet little woman like mine. There got to be somebody.
Yeah, baby.
Got a sweet loving woman like mine.
What?
Can I get a witness?
Oh yeah, we gotta. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I need the witness, baby. What?
Talking about my baby, some kind of wonderful. Talking about my baby, some kind of wonderful. Talking about my baby, some kind of wonderful. I'm talking about my baby, some kind of wonderful.
Yes, baby. Yeah. Damn right. Oh, yeah. Yes, baby.
Yes. Whoa. Hold up.
Yes.
Wow.
Baby.
They were so great.
Woo.
Oh my gosh. That song goes out to all the lovers.
Yes.
All of the men who has, or women who has a woman in their life that is some kind of wonderful.
Yes, man.
That makes you feel good.
Why not let your woman know that you appreciate her?
Most definitely.
And you know, when she touch you, you know, you get chills.
Yes.
That's how it's supposed to feel, man.
Yes, most
Wow, baby.
definitely. Wow,
Whoa.
Kimberly.
Damn, Kimberly.
Thank you so
She
much
definitely
for
brings the heat.
introducing that song to the platform.
Yes.
That is amazing.
Oh, yeah.
That I felt the love. Those guys were singing something that they had witnessed.
Yes.
They have some kind of wonderful
Yes.
ladies in their lives.
Oh, yeah.
Because you can't fake that. You know what
can't.
I'm saying? You just can't fake it.
Wow. I felt good just saying that
Wow.
song because I know I got me a strong woman. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Love my
Thank
wife
you
to death.
so
Love you to
much.
pieces, baby.
I love you too,
And that
babe.
right there represent, you know, everything that I, think about all day. It's just
Wow.
that
Ooh.
feeling, that music like that you never heard before and you
Right.
can relate to. Oh,
Most
man.
definitely.
It's
Some
a feeling
kind
like
of
no other.
wonderful.
Some kind of wonderful, my love.
He said he don't have to run around.
You ain't got to stay out late at night.
Stay out late at night. Yes.
That's what I'm talking
Now
about.
that is proof.
You know what I'm
right
saying?
there.
Be
When
home
you
with
know
your
you
woman.
don't have to run around.
Nah,
You
man.
got to do all that. You are
There's nothing out
happy
there,
at
man.
home. You have a woman or a man in your life that is some kind of wonderful. I think I have a wonderful guy.
Yes.
A wonderful man in my life.
You are
my
my
husband.
peace.
You are so wonderful.
You are the air I
But
breathe.
the song is She's Some Kind of Wonderful.
She's some
so
kind
this
of
is
wonderful.
to the ladies.
It's to the ladies.
tonight.
All direction goes towards the women.
Ladies, you guys are some kind of wonderful.
Man.
The S&M Squad ladies. Oh
What?
my gosh.
Yes.
Woo.
They got class.
Class.
You know what I'm saying? They respectful.
Yes.
They don't start no trouble.
Yes.
They just
I
like
mean,
to have
they
fun.
are the stars that shine.
And it's a lot of them, you guys.
Wow.
You guys know who you are.
Most
It's a lot of 'em.
definitely.
Wow, man.
Yes. S&M, baby.
Hell to the air.
I love the squad.
But I ain't gonna lie. When you got something good, you better hold on to them.
You better hold
I'm
on
telling
tight.
you. You better hold on tight. Stranglehold, baby.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, S&M.
Wow.
Kimberly Jenkins, thank you again for this amazing
Kimberly
song.
always brings the love.
And yes, and she be dedicating
Always.
songs to us that,
Yes,
you know,
she's amazing. She is some kind of wonderful.
Kimberly, we need to hang
Some
out
kind of wonderful.
with you and your
Kimberly.
husband one day.
Yes. Some kind of
And have
or
a nice
significant other.
time.
Whichever
Yes,
one.
whatever,
But
you know,
some
I
kind.
don't-
Kimberly is just so wonderful.
But I know
so
she like
amazing.
to have fun. The music says it all.
Yes.
You
I
know,
just love her song choice.
Like you party all night.
Most
That's what
definitely.
I'm talking about, you guys.
Yeah.
We definitely appreciate you guys, and shout out to the whole S&M Squad.
S&M, baby.
We got reactions coming back to back, you guys.
All right.
Be patient with
Let's
us.
do it. Yeah.
All day, y'all. We signing off. It's your boy Shawn.
And your girl, Mel. We
Bam!
love you guys.
Woo,
You
that
guys
was
are
a banger.
So amazing.
I love that one.
All right.
Peace.